My name is Letitia. I'm a brand strategist, coach, and designer. And I'm certain that if you're like me, you also work in a service-based industry or you're a business coach yourself. Either way, we were all a part of last week's conversation. The beginning of June was a tough week because we are on the heels of a revolution. Along with that revolution, we found out that a lot of the business coaches that we all looked up to were hit really hard. Their reputations were hit very hard from some of the posts that they made. And now we're all scared. What do I post? How do I create an inclusive brand when I don't know how to communicate with people of other races? Or I thought I was being inclusive, but maybe I'm not being enough. And so I created this masterclass for you. So whether you're ready to create a more inclusive brand, you want to attract clients of a different race other than your own, you need to shift your branding to be more inclusive without losing your existing following, or you were called out last week. Hey, we're all human and it happens, and now it's time to fix it. So join me for this masterclass where I'll give you the tools and the best practices you need to create an inclusive brand that is authentic, maintains your existing aesthetic while diversifying your reach, and allows you to continue to sell without being insensitive to the Black Lives Matter movement. I hope to see you in there.